cautiously optimistic about shop. We do have another week and a day. We need a rally though. We need a rally. VIX back down, flirting with the 13 handle, which is fine because that means that we're probably going to have our other positions work for us. eBay hanging out right where it is. CRM doing just fine. A little bit higher than where we got in, and we need some help in American Express. But again, we got a little bit of time. Gaps, Tesla we talked about, that's down nearly 3%. Let's see if that wants to come back. It's extending lower though. I'll set that alarm for us. And that one's set. And what else do we have? Surprisingly, U.S. Steel's down 2.5%. With good news coming out of China, you would think that we'd be okay. OLED, look at that. Look at this gap, folks. Gaps opens up down at 164.5 and then already fills its gap all the way up to 167 on nothing. So that is a gap that has already filled itself. We're done with that.